Hello, in this session, we are going to study how to solve the numericals for calculating the density of a gaseous mixture. The formula for this density of gaseous mixture is P into M average divided by R into T. The terms involved in this formula is first, it's P means pressure in kilopascal at which the gaseous mixture is present. The second term is M average means the average molecular weight of the gas mixture. Average molecular weight of the gas mixture. Then next term is R. R is the universal gas constant, and the value for universal gas constant it is 8.31451. Then the next term, that is T. T means the temperature at which the gaseous mixture is present, which is in Kelvin. So for calculation of density of gaseous mixture, we have to first calculate the average molecular weight of the gas mixture, and the formula for calculating the M average, that is average molecular weight, is summation of xi mi, where I is equal to 1 to n. Here x indicate the mole fraction of the component, m indicates the molecular weight of the component, and I indicates the number of species, the number of components. For example, if we have the 3 components in a gaseous mixture, then we have to calculate average molecular by adding the 3 chemical species and multiplying the mole fraction of first species by molecular weight of first component, then multiply mole fraction of second component into molecular weight of second component, mole fraction of third component, and multiply it by molecular weight of third component. As this is a summation, we have to add all these values. So after calculating these terms or this equation, we will get the average molecular weight of the gas mixture. So now we will see one example. Here an example is provided, that is calculate the density of air at NTP. Now we have to first consider that air contains 21% of O2, that is oxygen, and 79% of N2 for practical purpose or calculation purpose. Now first we have to calculate the given data, or we have to choose the given data, as here the condition is specified, that is NTP. NTP means normal temperature and pressure condition. Normal temperature and pressure condition means the pressure for this system or for this region is 101.325 kPa, and the temperature for this case is 273 Kelvin. Now we have to take the formula, that is rho mix is equal to PM average upon RT. Here first we have to calculate the average molecular weight of the gas mixture. Now we will calculate the average molecular or weight of air. So M average of air is equal to summation of xi mi, where I is equal to 1 to n. So as the gaseous mixture is air and air contains two components, that is oxygen and nitrogen. So therefore we will take set of brackets. First we have to write the xi, mole fraction of oxygen. So x of O2 into molecular weight of O2 plus mole fraction of N2 into molecular weight of N2. We know that air contains 21% oxygen, means the mole fraction will be 0.21, and the molecular weight of oxygen is 32, plus air contains 79% of nitrogen. So therefore the mole fraction will become 0.79 into molecular weight of N2 will be 28. So after solving this equation, we will get average molecular weight of the air as 28.84. Okay. Now we will calculate the density of air, that is gas mixture which contains nitrogen and oxygen. So pressure at NTP is 101.325 kPa, and the calculated average molecular weight is 28.84. Then R, universal gas constant, 8.31451 into temperature at NTP is 273. So for calculation purpose, in a calculator you should first calculate the numerator value, and after that the denominator value, and after calculating this individual value, then divide numerator by denominator, then your answer will be correct. And after calculating this equation, we will get the answer 1.2874, and as this is the density, therefore the unit of this will be kg per meter cube. Okay, so this is a very simple process for calculation of average molecular weight and density of gaseous mixture. And if the data is clear, then the calculation will be very easy. So thank you for watching this. In next session, we will continue with another example of